How to clear Instagram cache on iPhone. So here we are on our iPhone, and the first thing that you want to do is go into the settings of your phone. And from here, what you want to do is that you want to scroll down until you see the general tab, and then you want to tap on it. And from here, you just simply need to tap on iPhone storage. And in here, you'd be able to see the storage of your iPhone and so on. But what you want to look for here is the Instagram map. So you want to go here into Instagram. And from here, you want to tap on Offload App. And from here, proceed into tapping the Offload App option again at the bottom. And take note that you might need to log in again once you offload the app because it would erase the data. And basically, you would have the reinstall button available here on the Offload App button once you have successfully offloaded the app. So you just need to tap on the reinstall button again so that you'd be able to get or install the Instagram app, and that would be the way here in the iPhone to clear Instagram cache easily. So yeah, this is how you do it.